Within these walls, raw potential arrives as colossal sheets of advanced high-strength alloy steel poised for their metamorphosis into the foundational backbone of America's unchallenged naval dominance. Molten liquid fire reaching an intense 2,800 degrees is precisely poured into casts, forging vital components that must bravely withstand the most severe physical conditions of the open ocean. Prior to igniting even one torch, intricate digital blueprints meticulously map every single inch, guaranteeing unparalleled precision in a vessel composed of millions of distinct parts. Cutting-edge automated plasma cutters precisely carve through robust armor plating with surgical exactitude, guided by complex algorithms to minimize waste and maximize the steel's structural integrity. Powerful heavy-duty forklifts expertly maneuver these colossal steel slabs across the factory floor, transforming chaotic intake into a streamlined, efficient flow of essential shipbuilding materials. Dedicated quality control specialists meticulously inspect every square inch of raw metal, utilizing advanced ultrasonic sensors to detect microscopic flaws that could compromise the hull's integrity. The solemn ceremonial keel laying signifies the authentic commencement, as the inaugural massive modular section is gently lowered into the dry dock by powerful heavy-lift cranes. Sparks illuminate the scene as expert welders and sophisticated robotic arms unite, masterfully fusing thick steel plates to create the ship's robust, watertight skin. This exemplifies modular construction on a truly titanic scale, with entire multi-deck sections fabricated independently before being precisely hoisted into their final underwater positions. The largest gantry crane in the entire Western Hemisphere effortlessly lifts a 900-ton superlift unit, suspending it precisely above the burgeoning metal canyon of the hull. Advanced laser-guided alignment systems ensure these massive blocks fit together within mere millimeters, an astounding engineering feat that truly defies the immense weight of the components. Deep within the lower hull, skilled workers install the vital fuel tanks and ballast systems, ensuring this floating city remains stable even in rough seas. Countless miles of high-pressure piping are intricately woven throughout the vessel's massive interior, forming the complex circulatory system destined to power the formidable nuclear propulsion plant. Skilled technicians manually torque massive valves, ensuring a flawless seal on lines designed to carry superheated steam to power the ship's 4 main turbines. Robust steel beams rise to support the vast flight deck, a 4-acre sovereign territory precision designed to launch and recover the world's most advanced combat aircraft. At the stern, immense 30-ton bronze propellers are meticulously mounted onto drive shafts, ready to convert nuclear power into a formidable 30 knots of forward thrust. Colossal rudders, each taller than a house, are expertly hinged into place, giving the crew precise control over 100,000 tons of displacing steel. Advanced protective coatings are precisely sprayed onto the hull, forming a vital shield against the relentless corrosive power of salt water during the ship's impressive 50-year operational life. Prefabricated berthing units are efficiently slotted into the interior, creating comfortable living spaces for the thousands of sailors who will proudly call this ship home. The island superstructure is lifted as a single piece, forming the vessel's nerve center, containing the bridge and flight deck control, majestically crowning the mighty vessel. Deep within its walls, skilled electricians pull 10 million feet of advanced fiber-optic cable, creating a high-speed digital nervous system essential for rapid combat data transfer. Colossal reverse osmosis plants are installed to generate 400,000 gallons of fresh water daily, an output sufficient to support a small American city. Within the gleaming stainless steel galleys, robust industrial ovens and mixers are securely bolted, preparing to serve 18,000 nourishing meals every single day at sea. State-of-the-art medical bays are fitted with full surgical suites and digital imaging technology, ensuring critical care is always available during remote naval deployments. 2 cutting-edge nuclear reactors are brought online, generating 3 times the electrical capacity of prior carriers, effortlessly providing power for future high-energy laser weapon systems. Expansive ventilation systems are routed through the decks, expertly managing heat and airflow to keep sensitive electronics and crew members cool in tropical climates. Skilled technicians install the flat panel arrays of the dual-band radar, replacing rotating dishes with solid-state technology for superior tracking and precise target acquisition. The command bridge is outfitted with touchscreen navigation and throttle controls, shifting ship steering from mechanical wheels to precise fly-by-wire digital interface systems. With the hull's construction complete, the dry dock valves are ceremoniously opened, allowing millions of gallons of river water to flood the basin for its monumental launch. For the very first time, the colossal steel leviathan majestically lifts from its blocks, gracefully relying on Archimedes' principle to float 100,000 tons of strategic diplomacy. A formidable fleet of powerful tugboats precisely coaxes the colossal carrier into the channel, expertly guiding this magnificent marvel away from its pier and towards the vast expanse of the open sea. Deep within the vessel's powerful core, the throttle is engaged, unleashing a surge of high-pressure steam to activate the main turbines, setting the colossal shafts in motion for their inaugural turn. The vessel gracefully slices through the waves, effortlessly surpassing a remarkable 30 knots, as its bow wave ascends powerfully, demonstrating the superior hydrodynamic efficiency of its innovative hull design. In rigorous high-speed turning trials, the vessel banks profoundly rigorously, pushing its structural limits while showcasing an astonishing agility truly remarkable for a ship of such colossal dimensions. High above on the expansive flight deck, the revolutionary electromagnetic aircraft launch system has supplanted traditional steam catapults, now utilizing linear induction motors to propel jets with an unprecedented, impeccably smooth and precise force. Specially weighted sleds are launched into the ocean to meticulously calibrate the magnetic fields, ensuring the system's robust capability to manage the immense forces of a launching fighter jet. The innovative advanced arresting gear deploys water turbines and electric motors to expertly secure incoming aircraft, absorbing kinetic energy with far greater efficiency than conventional hydraulic cable systems. A formidable Super Hornet approaches the deck, its tail hook expertly catching the wire, bringing the mighty 30-ton fighter to a complete stop in a mere 3 seconds. Advanced weapons elevators efficiently transport ordnance from the deep magazines to the bustling flight deck, utilizing electromagnetic motors that effectively double the speed of prior hydraulic lift systems. The dedicated deck crew meticulously practices rapid reloading and swift refueling, aiming to elevate the sortie generation rate by an impressive 25% beyond that of the venerable Nimitz class. The formidable Phalanx close-in weapon system rapidly spins up its Gatling gun, employing precision radar to track and decisively neutralize incoming missiles with an impenetrable wall of tungsten. Rolling airframe. Missile launchers swiftly rotate to acquire threats, establishing a crucial second layer of defense against any supersonic anti-ship cruise missiles endangering this invaluable carrier. Automated damage control sensors instantly pinpoint any hint of smoke or heat, immediately activating advanced fire suppression systems that inundate compartments with specialized foam to extinguish any potential blaze. During rigorous full-ship shock trials, immense explosives are strategically detonated underwater in close proximity, unequivocally proving the hardened steel hull's capacity to endure the violent concussive forces of potential conflict. As twilight descends, the expansive flight deck undergoes a stunning transformation bathed in night vision-compatible illumination that empowers pilots to execute safe landings even in absolute darkness. Deep within the ship's core, expert air traffic controllers orchestrate a complex three-dimensional puzzle, simultaneously guiding dozens of aircraft through the bustling airspace surrounding the carrier. In the secure magazine, skilled sailors meticulously assemble precision-guided munitions with the aid of robotic assist lifts, preparing thousands of pounds of ordnance for prompt delivery to the flight deck. The sophisticated aviation fuel system pumps thousands of gallons per minute across numerous stations, guaranteeing the air wing remains perpetually fueled and primed for any mission. The colossal hangar bay functions as a massive floating maintenance hub where expert mechanics conduct intricate engine repairs and exhaustive systems checks on the deployed fighter aircraft. Within the berthing areas, modernized racks provide enhanced storage and increased privacy, representing a modest yet profoundly significant enhancement for sailors facing extended deployments without immediate resupply. State-of-the-art physical fitness centers are strategically distributed across the vessel, empowering the crew to uphold peak physical readiness despite the inherently confined environment of a formidable warship. This vessel integrates advanced plasma arc waste destruction technology, efficiently vaporizing refuse at extreme temperatures to significantly minimize the environmental footprint of this self-sustaining floating city. The comprehensive onboard hospital stands fully prepared for any large-scale medical emergencies, meticulously equipped with advanced intensive care units and dedicated isolation wards to manage every contingency at sea. A dedicated supply ship expertly maneuvers alongside for vital replenishment at sea, transferring pallets of essential provisions and fuel across tensioned cables as both vessels maintain their forward momentum. From the command center of the flag bridge, the admiral meticulously plans fleet movements, leveraging real-time satellite intelligence to flawlessly coordinate the strike group's destroyers, cruisers, and formidable attack submarines. The colossal 30-ton anchor thunders down the hawse-pipe, firmly embedding itself into the seabed to secure the carrier steadfastly against the relentless shifting tides and powerful currents. Following years of meticulous construction and exhaustive, rigorous testing, this vessel is finally declared fully operational, standing as the undisputed pinnacle of American naval engineering and manufacturing prowess. Far more than merely a ship, this is a self-contained nuclear-powered airbase uniquely capable of projecting both strategic influence and vital humanitarian aid to virtually any corner of the globe. Designed to stand sentinel for the next 5 decades, the Gerald R. Ford guarantees maritime security through an unparalleled fusion of robust steel and groundbreaking digital innovation. As this magnificent carrier disappears over the distant horizon, the bustling factory floor is already diligently preparing the foundational raw steel for the next colossal vessel in this distinguished class.